Kayo na lang ha. Shaka-shaka. Tara na, lakad na. Lakad na kayo. Lakad-lakad lang kayo dyan. Maganda palang ano, dito pasyalan. Uy, tandaan nyo yung ating hotel. Tandaan nyo yung Shaka. Yan, famous dito yan ng mga vlogger eh. Naglalakad-lakad po kami dito sa Shaka.
How do the crossings work?
Yeah, zebra crossing.
Is it like a free for all?
Yeah.
Jollibee.
Oh, Jollibee ba? Oh, come on, Jollibee kain tayo.
Your favorite.
Magkain tayong Jollibee, hindi pa tayo nakain ng Jollibee.
Ano mas gusto? Macdo or Jollibee?
Pancake House. Oh, careful.
Yeah.
Asan yung Jollibee?
That box got tutu. Jollibee.
Ano yan? Okay. Kain tayong Jollibee. Tulog pa naman si Daddy. Bilhan na lang natin si Jollibee. Big Jollibee here. Tandaan nyo kung tayo na. Ah, ito pala yung may museum. Oh, saraw. Oh, Shangri-La, the Fort Manila. Ayun pala Shangri-La. Shangri-La. Ah, ang ganda dito mga guys. Ito nakikita ko to sa vlog eh. Din, mga vloggers. Kita kong binablog nila dito.
Makikita.
Ay, dami kainan pala dito oh. Mamaya pag ano, kasi si Daddy antok siguro si Daddy kaya hindi sasama sa atin maglakad-lakad ngayon. Kiri-kiri ka. Yung mall, nalin ito yung mall. Dito na. Tandaan nyo kung saan.
Lahat tayo.
Sarah. Ang ganda naman dito po. Ito ang beach is beach. Ah, ito Bonifacio High Street na. Ganda.
Balik tayo ulit dito.
Oo, kasi si Kuya Steve hindi pa ito nakikita kaya. Igalan, ha? Oh, Toby Sports for sale. Ayan yung gusto ni Annalyn. No. Central Square pala siya. Halika tingnan natin. Yan. Dapat dito kayo mag-picture. Wait, ito. Sarap din.
Doon tayo.
Halika.
Yellow sign.
Tingin tayo ng laruan dyan. Bird. Burger. Charlie. Soul Yupsal oh. Nagkakaisang ka ng mga girls, Charlie. Gagawin nga upon you. The girls, gagawin nga upon you. Lucky boy. You lucky boy. They gang upon you.
Oh, they already said we got
Wala na siya. Forbes-town. Forbes-town. It's in the city. Salaryman. Ayun na yung aso. Nakakulong. Asan na yung grocery? Bilang ko si Daddy na. Coffee, tsak. Gusto mo yung coffee na? even two, let's just do it. I like.
Yeah, because I didn't have cheese. There's always. Cat's doing.
Ah, who?
Cat.
Ah. Cat pooing. Look at them. Slippery one what? Pulutan. Kawi ah. Oh, cute. This is the front of the Avant. Check the pool. Just checking the pool. And, that's the koi over there, Daddy. That's the gym. That's the toilet there. Ladies and men's, and then the koi fish is here. Yes. So this is the pool. Avant. That's beginning from there. Nice. The different shape, isn't it? Okay, these are the sunbeds here. So it's checking the pool.
How do you pronounce that? BSL. Together? Like,
We're just walking here, strolling around here. BGC area, the fort at night time. 53, come on. Huwag mo kay Jade, picturean tayo habang naglalakad. Uy, uy! Ginagawa mo? Bawal.
Gentle one. Yan yan. Tama.
Masya ka. Laki ng giant.
Ang laki ng
Laki ng giant. Daddy. Bango ng ano?
on your phone.
We're visiting the food district here in BGC. On the 5th Street. Daming kainan. Roam around first to see what's in here. Spicy tea. Mga drinks here. This is food district here in BGC. It's on the basement. Wow. Ato Filipino foods. Oops, sorry. Daming kainan. Much choices in here. Secret Kitchen. Tax Burger. So good. Oh, so good. Oh, this one. Kimchi. Japanese. Ito, Filipino food. End up McDonald's. Clean. Here comes the food. Bring the food here. Food district. Another one. That's a biggie. Look at this. Wow. What we're gonna eat here. It's from the Pepper Lunch. This is in food district in BGC. Thank you, Daddy. The girls are ordering theirs. Chloe, Jade, and Chloe. Teriyaki.
Curry sauce, teriyaki.
Bon appetit. Kain ng mga girls. They ordered food from Mr. Katsu. Kami naman ay sa Pepper Lunch. Over there.
Spicy chicken sauce.
This is our third day, and we're gonna try the swimming pool here in Avant apartment. So Chloe and Charlie is not going to swim yet. Me and Jade is going to swim. So this one's gonna be our security guard here. Jade, kasama ko si Jade. It's swimming. Enjoy. It's not that deep. I think it's beautiful. Tsaka walang tao. Kami lang dito. We're only the swimmers here at the moment, which is good. Chloe, you can sit here. Yeah. Naming bodyguard ay tulog. Jump! Huh? McDonald's. water check na si Chloe. Uy, tanda ka na.
You should sleep.
Yung iyong picture lang. Ay, yung aming security guard tulog.
Lakad na lang po.
Third Avenue. Ay!
Tupo sa lumako.
Hello. Swimming avant. Charlie's not in the mood to swim. Swim na, Charlie. Pretty girls.
I get close to edit.